Dive into the extraordinary car collection of Kylie Jenner. Welcome to Kylie Jenner's realm of opulence, where each car in her collection radiates unparalleled luxury and style. From custom finishes to bold designs, Kylie's garage is more than just a storage space. It's a playground for her unapologetically glamorous lifestyle. Each car is not just a vehicle, but an expression of Kylie's unique identity. Whether she's cruising in a custom G-Wagon or arriving in a chic Rolls-Royce, every ride is a statement piece that takes her iconic fashion-forward spirit onto the streets. Get ready to lay your eyes on Kylie's exclusive collection of high-end cars. Her jaw-dropping Ferrari LaFerrari stands out with its sleek lines and vibrant red finish. It's a showstopper that captures hearts just like Kylie herself. Not to forget her luxe Lamborghini Urus, styled in dramatic bold colors, reflecting her personality. And who could miss the timeless beauty of her classic Rolls-Royce Ghost? Custom interiors and striking exteriors take Kylie-level glamour to new heights. What makes Kylie's collection extra special? Her personal touch in every detail. Bright hues, personalized logos, and interiors made to her liking define the collection. From pink leather seats to intricate monograms, every car has a story to tell, just like the woman behind the wheel. These rides aren't just about getting around, they're about arriving in style, turning heads, and redefining luxury, Kylie Jenner style. They're a testament to her trend-setting influence that goes beyond beauty and fashion. Are you ready for an up-close look at Kylie Jenner's extraordinary car collection? Watch the full video to discover her lust-worthy wheels and experience the world through Kylie's lens of luxury. Like, comment, and share your favorite ride. This is your exclusive invite into Kylie's glamorous universe. Don't miss it.